स्वच्छता से स्वागत। हमारा ये कार्यक्रम सारे भारत में हो रहा है और बंगाल में भी ये शुरू हुआ है। 20 जून माननीय प्रधानमंत्री बंगाल में आ रहे, तारकेश्वर में पश्चिम बंगाल दिवस हम लोग मनाएंगे और 21 जून इंटरनेशनल योगा डे हम लोग रेड रोड में मनाएंगे। इसके लिए आज एक 6 दिन का स्वच्छता अभियान हम लोग लिए हैं, लेकिन ये सिर्फ 6 दिन का विषय नहीं है। स्वच्छता हैज टू बी इन आवर लाइफ एवरी डे और योगा हैज टू बी इन आवर लाइफ एवरी डे। इसलिए हम लोग आरजी रख रहे, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे लोगों से, आम पब्लिक से, कि अपना घर जैसे हम लोग सफा सुथरा रखते हैं, घर का बाहर भी हम लोग सफा रखें, स्वच्छ रखें। और अगर नहीं रख पाएंगे तो 1 सितंबर से पेनल्टी जारी होगा। रास्ते में थूकेंगे, रास्ते में कागज, चिप्स का पैकेट, डाब फेंक देंगे, रास्ते में पेशाब करेंगे और रास्ते में वन टाइम प्लास्टिक यूज, बैन प्लास्टिक यूज करेंगे तो पेनल्टी होगा।
Didi, Mamata Banerjee's PSO has been withdrawn and is changed by the Director Security, and KMC is calling it a political vendetta, and they are saying that those 3 PSO who are serving with Mamata Banerjee's from last 20 years has been withdrawn by Director Security and new security personnel are replaced. What's your reaction? Because KMC is claiming that it's political vendetta.
The security officers who had been provided by the state government are TMC cadres more than security officers. It is a question of her security. So why is she interfering in that? Leave her security decision on the security department, on the government. So if she wants to politicize everything, hawkers, party, MPs leaving her, and also her security, it is only understood that probably she is not in a stable state of mind.
And we have seen that the CBI team went the cremation ghat yesterday.
We, the women of Bengal, we the citizens of Bengal have always believed that our Abhaya, Dr. Abhaya of Arjikar, infamous case, didn't get justice. Only Sanjay Roy, the civic volunteer responsible for this case, we don't believe it. Abhaya was brutally raped and murdered. We heard that her eyes were bleeding. Her shoulder girdle were broken, fractured. It is not possible, common sense says, for one civic volunteer who is not very healthy to kind of torture a 35-year-old doctor. There are other people involved. And we had heard of North Bengal doctor community who are involved. I want CBI to call these doctors and interrogate them. I want the ex-Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. I feel she is totally involved in this case, and she tried to suppress this case because somebody very close to her is involved. So Mamata Banerjee should be arrested and interrogated. I think ex-CP Vineet Goyal should be arrested and interrogated because CP knows everything. I want the doctors who were there that night with Dr. Abhaya, we know their names. They should be called, sit together, made to sit together and interrogated together. We want justice. The soul of Dr. Abhaya is crying. She didn't get justice yet.